Hey everybody, hope you've been well. Really had an interesting topic today. A lot of people have been asking me, what are the things that ASPM finds? I've been talking about ASPM a lot lately, a lot of different aspects of it, how cool it can be, and how I think it's a game-changing technology. But what are the things that ASPM really provides to organizations when they're looking at architectural risk or application security risk? So this is cool ASPM findings. These are the type of things you can find with ASPM. This one is called business risk context. So we have an application diagram here with a bunch of components that are connecting all the way through to a database and to a third party. The business risk context of these application services is really paramount to the application's functionality, its security, and its overall security posture for that matter. What happens is if you're looking at the business risk context, you want to make sure that everything is connecting correctly and the concept of drift comes in. So thinking about this, we have this very happy architecture here, and someone does a code push, and all of a sudden there's been a change, a very minor change, where this service right here, the one I'm pointing over right here, that's connecting to a database that also has PII data, is all of a sudden connecting directly to this third party. Don't know why the change was made. You have to go through a forensic analysis. But these are the type of things you can think about. This is truly drift, and this is the business risk context that you need to look for, and you probably really don't understand today. I'm Matt Rose. This is Bionic Uncensored. Stay cheeky, application security world.